Let's rewind to May 2021. The Internet Computer Protocol launches, backed by crypto legend Dominic Williams and billions in funding. Its promise? To rebuild the internet on the blockchain. The price skyrockets to nearly $750, instantly making it a top 10 crypto. But then it began what might be the most brutal descent in top 100 history. It fell over 99%, hitting an all-time low around $2 in late 2025. So what went wrong? The 3 fatal flaws. First, the world computer narrative collided with reality. Building a decentralized cloud is astronomically complex, and adoption couldn't keep up with the insane hype. Second, the unlock schedule. Early investors and team members had tokens that gradually unlocked post-launch, creating massive sell pressure that drowned retail buyers. And third, the narrative shift. While ICP was building, the world became obsessed with AI. ICP was left trying to rebrand as an AI crypto, a move many analysts see as forced and unconvincing. So what's left today? The technology is still ambitious. It allows apps to run 100% on-chain. No Amazon Web Services needed. The developer community is small, but dedicated. But the price, now hovering around $2.30, reflects a market that has largely written it off. The final verdict: is this an investment? Here at MoneyMind 3D, we separate hope from strategy. If you're a high-risk speculator betting on a dead cat bounce or a miracle pivot, understand you are buying a lottery ticket with a 99.5% historical loss rate. For the strategic investor, the evidence is clear. Capital tied up in ICP is capital not deployed in assets with clearer fundamentals, stronger momentum, and narratives that are actually leading this cycle, like AI infrastructure or DeepIn. Our analysis suggests ICP is a technological experiment, not a strategic investment in 2026. The opportunity cost is simply too high. The tragic story of ICP is the ultimate lesson in separating visionary promises from investable reality. Don't confuse the two. If you want clear, unbiased breakdowns of what's actually worth your capital, hit subscribe. We cut through the hype so you don't have to.